Amawele joint venture, a construction company that has built thousands of quality houses in KwaZulu-Natal, is unwaveringly living up to its motto known to be people caring for people. This after it left tongues wagging in Mbumbulu, south of Durban, when it constructed a 2-bedroom house for one poor family. This giant step is among many of its social responsibility programs in this province. 6 members of the Tough family have for years endured living in this shack. Some of its children were born here, and nobody among family members ever thought that one day a good Samaritan in the name of Jabulani Dlamini, the head of Amawele joint venture, would one day come to their rescue. In both summer and winter, the family had to contend with inclement weather conditions. But now that's history, and the cherry on top is that every month Amawele ensures that the family has food on the table as none of its members are working.
I'm very impressed. I'm humbled by the contribution. I was here 2 months ago when we saw this house just behind us, and now there is this one here which has been finished. It's a completely well done, up-class type of a house in our area in Mbumbulu. We are so impressed. We really want to thank Mr. Dlamini.
This is an act of Ubuntu in its practical sense. With South Africa facing innumerable challenges of alleviating poverty, Amawele believes that such challenges could be minimized if other companies may always remember the concept of Ubuntu.
People caring for people. But before we are business people, we are members of a community. So it is so important to us, and sipoqwa nayi motto ye-organization ukuthi people caring for people. Sikubone kuyinto ekufanele ukuthi siyenze ngoba sipoqwa indlela inkampani eyiyona ukuthi we must care for abanye abantu ngoba siwumphakathi kuqala kunokuthi sibe osomabhizinisi.
The Tough family says God has indeed this time around answered their prayers. For the first time, they have a decent roof over their heads they call home. The house is of good quality, fully furnished, and competes with many in the suburbs.
Ave ngijabula kakhulu ngibonga ubaba uDlamini abakwazile ukuthi bangikhiphe kubo bonke abebebuthene kule ndawo ukuthi bangisizile empilweni ebengiyiphile. Ngiyabonga.
The construction of the house was blessed by all members of the Dlamini family who could not rest after becoming aware of the family's plight. Following this groundbreaking initiative by Amawele, government appealed to companies, more especially those that it awards big projects, not to forget the poor.
I've seen their projects in and around areas of Ladysmith. I've visited some of the houses that they've finished, and they've really made very good quality houses, and I think we would actually benefit a lot as government when we have such builders, such construction companies, because over the past few months you might have been aware the government has been complaining about certain houses all over the country that have not been of high quality, but these ones that have been built by Amawele construction company, I've seen them and I've actually noticed good quality out of these houses. We do appeal to a lot of other people, business people, to donate and see someone who needs some support to give and actually donate such projects to them.